All right. So I am back. See my timer in the upper right hand corner, 174 minutes. That's because I left this running when I went to go eat dinner. But I got myself single malt scotch, and let's see if we can't figure out this thing from where I left it off before dinner. So far, the only thing I have figured out was the 9, and that's because of that row there. I was able to piece together the 10 and the 26, being plus 10. 10 plus 26 plus 9 is 45, right? 45 being the summation of all of these. And now I'm going to try to look for another opportunity to do the same thing. And let's see if we can't piece that together somehow, some way. Like, I feel like I'm so close here. I'm wondering. There's one out there. There's 2 out spaces there. Still tricky. Still tricky. Oh, no. That's part of that cage. Yeah, this is a tough one, man. It is tough because there's not a whole lot that's contained. So here's what I'm thinking. What I can do is I know that equals 45, and that leaves 2 outliers, and both have been limited pretty well. So let's take a look here. So it's 26. 26 plus 13 plus 13 plus 6 is 58. That means 8 total. No. 5, 13. So that means these 2 here add up to 13. So 8 and 5 work. And that's it. That's it. So these 2 have to be 8 and 5. That has to be a 5. Oh, I figured it out. Oh, very cool. All right, so what does that do for this row? Do I have any 5s in this row that I now need to get rid of? No, I think it does it automatically for me. I think it also does it with the 8s, so that's good. Look at that. I figured that out. All right. Can I find another situation like that where I've got just 2 left? 2 outliers. So I think we've got the same thing here. All right, so let's add together all these boxes and find out the values, the combined value of that one plus that one. So that's going to be 10 plus 17 plus 13 plus 7 is going to be 47. So that can't be right. Hold on a second. I must have missed something. 10 plus 17. No. 10 plus 17 plus 13 plus 7. 45. So it's only 2 over. If it says those to add up to 47. So if I add together all of these, the 10, the 17, the 13, and the 7, it adds up to 47, which means that these both have to be 1s. Let's see if I'm right. Boom. Look at that. And this is a mirror. The top is a mirror to the bottom. No, they're mirror on the vertical. But That's two more outliers that I figured out. And now that I figured out these two, that leaves this one with only two outliers. No, one outlier, two outliers here and here. So let's do the same thing. And let's see if we can't figure it out. It'll be 16 plus 22 plus 15 plus 1 is 54, which means that this plus this has to equal 9. All right. So the highest I can go here is 6 and 3. So that means the 2 goes away here. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. Shit. It sucks. Well, we can figure it out. So 6 and 3 is 9. 5 and 4, 4 and 5, and 6. So this spot here can only be those two numbers. Not as good as I was hoping. Let's see if this one gives me any more information. So let's try that one. So that is all right, so that's 5 plus 18 plus 19 plus 14 is 56. So that is going to be 11. These two add up to 11, which means if this, the highest this can go is 7, then let's clear that out. All right, for this to equal 11, with the 4, you need a 7. With the 5, I need a 6. And then with the 7, I need a 4. So those are the only possibilities for those two groups. And look at that. If those two are going to have to be 4 and 7, then this has to be 5. And if that has to be 5, then that has to be 6. Boom. All right. This one loses its 4 because I've got 1, 2, and 4 is the only possibilities here. So that can't be a 4. And if that can't be a 4, then and this can't be, so this has to be 6 and 3 because I can't have a 6 here. So that has to be a 6. And that has to be a 3. Progress. Progress, progress. Boy, this is a fascinating. All right. So in order to have an 8, I need to have a 1, and a 1, why is a 1 not possible? Because of that is why that can't be a 1. Because of that. So that means the 8 is not possible. All right. Yeah, the only possibility is 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's clear this out. 2, 3, 4, 5 is the only possibility. These two can't have 2 and 4. Because of that. And then this eliminates 4, 7, 8, 9. That doesn't do anything. This also eliminates 6. So wait a second. Something's effed up. That's 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Let's figure this out again. I messed up something. 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So, according to this, I get rid of 2 and 4. 2 and 4. That leaves 3 and 5 on that axis. So if 3 and 5 are here, only this can only be 2 and 4. All right. That's it. Okay. That kills any 5s, so that has to be a 3. Which means that has to be a 5. All right. Oh, yeah, this is harder than any one I've done yet. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. So what else do we know now? What else do I know? Huh. Is there any other outlier that I can figure out? I know these two have to equal 9. All right, so let's clear them out. And that means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait a second. Erase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No 9. All right, that gets rid of the 5. That gets rid of a 5. Can't have 6. Can't have 6. Can't have 3. Can't have 3. So this now needs to add up to 9. So 8 and 1. 7 and 2. 4 and 5. There is no 5, so it means both 4s go away. That's it, right? Those 4 digits are possible. And I can't eliminate any more of them. At least not yet. Okay. Let's see. That's 4 possibilities there in that row. Think. Well, let's think about this. I know that that is going to total 11, which means this is going to total 12. So let's see how we get to 12. We get to 12 with 3 and 9. We get there with 4 and 8. But we can't have the 4, which means we can't have the 8. Can't use the 7 to get to 12. So how about can't use the 6 to get to 12? Can I use the 5 and 7? No, that's it. So it's going to be just 3 and 9. Those are the only possibilities, is 3 and 9. And there's the 3, so that has to be my 9. Oh, I messed up. What did I mess up? Let's clear these out. Something's messed up. All of this equals 23. I know all of this equals 45. So let's add it up. I've got 5 plus 6 plus 23. 34. So I need 11. I need this to total 11 to get to 45. So that means I can go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. try that again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because I've got to get that to total 11. Now here I can't use 6. I can't use 3. I can't use 5. Here I can't use 5. So how do I get to 11? I get 11 with 9, 2, 4, 7. So the 8 goes away. 7, 4 is good. 8 and 3 gets me to 11. 9 and 2 gets me to 11. All right, so the 6 needs a 7. 7 needs a 6. I don't have that 6, so the 7 goes away. No, what am I thinking? Math is hard. 7 and 4 works. What? There's a number missing. 3 and 8. 2 and 9. 4 and 7. 7 and 4. 6 needs a 5, and there is no 5, so the 6 goes away. There we go. So there's our numbers that work there. The 5s are gone. All right. So if that equals 11, that puts this to equal 12. So let's think about 12 starts with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, we can get rid of 3, 5, 6. So to get to 12, I need an 8, an 8, a 5, a 4, and a 3. All right, and none of those are a 6 or an 8. The 8 goes away, which means the 4 goes away. And there's no 6, so that's fine. All right. That totals me to 8, which means I've got 6 left. That puts me at a 4 and a 2. It'd be really handy if I could figure these two out here. It'd be really handy. Well, what I do know is that's 12 now. And I know that's 6, which means I can figure that one out. So let's try that. 6 plus 12 plus 20 is 38. So it's 5, so that's a 7. All right. One step closer. One step closer. Okay, so now that's eliminated. I said that was 12, right? So I can only get there with an 8 and a 3. No, 8 and a 4, or a 9 and a 3, so the 5 goes away here. The 8 goes away. This has to be a 9. And to get to 12, that has to be the 3. Boom! All right, kiddos, we are getting closer. Closer, closer, closer. All right, let's think about this guy. Let's clear him out. Let's start again. Actually, no. Yeah, 20 can go all the way. All right, so... All right, so we can get rid of 9, we get rid of 7, get rid of 3. That's easy. All right, here I can get rid of the 8. I already got rid of the 9s there. That I can get rid of the 1. So, all right. What am I doing? I've got the other half of this. That's a 1. Did I do that elsewhere? I sure did. So that's a 1. That's a 6. All right, all right, all right. Interesting. Interesting, interesting. It could go there. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Okay, so we know that can't be the one. That has to be a 2 or a 4. Okay. So here's the problem. No, it's not a problem. Nope. Think. Think. Where is another outlier? I could try to figure this out here. Right, because I've already got those locked away. So let's try it. So it's going to be 22 plus 20 plus 19 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 equals 80. So that means it's short 10. So that means these two have to add up to 10. So that can't be a 9 because I don't have a 1 in the other one. 8 will work. 7 will work. 6 will work. The 5 does not here. All right. I was looking elsewhere and I realized here. This has got to be equal to 9. So it can't. The 8 is gone from both of those. These have to equal 9. So the 9 is gone from both of them. The 8 is gone from both of them. It's got to be 4 and 5. So now I know that 4 and 5 are there. So that means 4 goes from there. That means 4 goes from there. That means 5 goes from there. That means 4 goes from there. That's one step closer. Boom. I know a 4 is in that row, so that has to be a 5. A son of a biscuit. Dadgummit. What did I screw up? What did I mess up? That has to be 9. So it can't be 8 and 1. It could be 7, 3. Could be 7, 3. No. 7, 2. What am I doing? 7, 2, 8. 8, 1, 7, 2, 6, 3, 4, 5. All right, and we can get rid of the 1. We can get rid of the 3, the 6. Okay. Now to get to 9, an 8 needs a 1, so the 8 goes away from both of them. It has to be 5, 4. I'm back to the same spot again. Oh, there's the problem. There's the problem. 7, 8, 9. All right, so that means 4 and 5 here. No way to determine which is which, though. No guarantees. Okay, I've got that one isolated to 2 numbers. Let's look at this guy again. No, too big of a number. Let's try this one again. 4, 9, 5, 8, 6, 7. We get rid of the 6, which means we get rid of the 7. Anything else eliminating anything for me? I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So that's the 2 numbers, 4 numbers it could be. Right? It could be 4, 9, 5, 8, 8, 5, 9, 4. Okay. So no guarantees, basically. Let's think about this guy, though. Hold on. The only thing that can be is 9. So that means I could do up to 6, right? Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, these 2 can't be a 1. We know that. This one can't be a 6. But that's it. That's the only guarantees I have there. There's something missing here. Let's try here. So it's 18, right? Because it's going to be 26 minus 8. These 3 are going to add up to 18. Which means the sum is 18, digits is 3. That's the only possibilities there. Can't be the 1. Right? But 2 can exist. So basically 2 to 9 is what I'm looking at there. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can get rid of the 5. And I know it can't have an 8. So I can get rid of the 8. Get rid of the 9. All right, so now I know it can't be that. 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 I know it can't be. It's got to be 5, 6, 7. Those are the only possibilities. That can't be a 5. That can't be a 5, so that has to be a 5. Boom. Boom. All right, one step closer. These together are 13. And it can't contain 5, so it's got to either be 4, 9, or 6, 7, and it can't be 6, 7 because of that 6. So the only 2 possibilities here are 4 and 9. Let's redo this one while we're at it. So for 13, I get rid of that, I get rid of that, because we're at I can't have a 1 or a 5. So those are my only possibilities. So basically 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Those are the only possibilities. We know 4 and 9 are here, so we can get rid of the 4 there and the 4 there. That means that in actuality, it's 2, 3, 8. That's the only possibility. So 4, 9 is forced here, so that 4 is gone. That 4 is gone. 4 and that 9 are gone. That 4 and that 9 are gone. And then let's look up here. That's forcing 6, 7. I don't have any 6, 7 up there. That's forcing 5, 8, 4, 9. So that means that has to be 7 because that has to be a 5. That has to be a 7. Let's see if I'm right. Boom. That means that has to be a 2. And that has to be a 3. Frickin' A, man. Frickin' A. So now, let's talk about these two guys. So, that is 12. So that means added together, there's 6. So basically, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? But this can't have a 1. Can't have a 2. That can't have a 1. All right, so what did I say it added to? It added to 12, added to 6, right? So 3. It can't be 3 and 3. So that 3 is out. Both 3s are out. Well, 3's right there anyway. It's got to add up to 6, so it's got to be 4 and 2. So that has to be 4. And that has to be 2. Look at you. Look at you, Mr. Shipman. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. That leaves me here as only being a 5, and that's the 6. I finished the first block. That's a big deal. We also now know this one, because that's 5, 6, 7. 7 and 4. That's 13. So that's a 9. Can't use a 3. Can't use a 4. Can't use a 6. So it's 5, 7, 8. That has to be a 7. Which means those two are the 5 and the 8. Is there anything that gives me any indication? There is not. Okay. Interesting, interesting. What else? It has to be a 6 or a 7. Is there anything precluding me from using a 6 or a 7 in those rows? There is not. Oh, that's a 1. So now, let's zero that out. Now I know it includes a 1, right? So now it's basically 3, 4, 3. Oh, wait a second. I can get rid of anything including a 9. Get rid of anything including a 7. So it's got to be 1, 5, 6, 8. So 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. God damn it. 5, 6, 8. Now, what can I eliminate from that? I can eliminate the 6 from there. Can't eliminate the 5 or the 8. 5, 6, 8. Okay, so that's it. Oh, so daggum close. I can taste it. How did I get that 5, and why couldn't I get it up, get the mirror of it up here is the question. It's a very interesting question. Huh. Where did I piece that together? I don't remember. This is 19. 19 can... Oh, wait a second. Yeah. $19 with 3 digits. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold on. What am I precluded from? Just the one. So yeah, everything is live, right? It is. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's eliminate some things. We can get rid of 7s. There, I can get rid of 3s. I can get rid of 6s. I can get rid of 5s from here and from here. I think that's it. No, it's not it. I can also get rid of 4s and 5s. So that means it's got to be, let's redo that. Because I forgot about the 4 or 5 here. It can only be 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. Those two get rid of the 3. That gets rid of the 7. All right, let's quickly redo this. So 16. Nothing with 1 can be used. Nothing with 4 or 5. So basically just 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. That's the only possibilities. That gets rid of a 6 there. That's it. No, that's not it. The 2 is gone. Okay. Interesting, interesting. 5 and 8 here eliminates the 8 from there. Eliminates the 8 from there and the 8 from there. As well as the 8 from that row. Interesting. So I know that's 2, 7. So let's actually redo this without nothing with a 2 or get rid of anything with a 2 or a 7. And a 5 is eliminated. What am I left with? I'm left with 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Let's try that again. I don't know why it wouldn't let me. 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. There we go. But 9 has to go from here. 1 has to go from there. 4 has to go from there. Whoops. Ah! 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. But we get rid of the 1, the 9, the 4. Okay. So the 9 could go in. I got to find a place for the 9. The 9 has to go here, right? It has to go with a 4 there. What eliminates that? I've got to find a place for a 5 somewhere in here. So 5s are going to have to go there. So that's actually interesting. I know 5 is going to be involved because a 5 has to go there. So that means really what I'm looking at here is a 2-digit 15. So it's going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. But it can't be 9. So it's going to be 5, 7, 8. All right, so now we know that can't be 7, so that has to be the 7. No, I've got the 7. It can't be 7. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. All those 1s are eliminated, right? 3s are eliminated. 4s and 2s are eliminated. Wait a second. Something's effed up. Something's wrong. Oh, I know why. Alright, so anything with a 1 works. If it has a 3, it doesn't. If it has a 7, it doesn't. Right? We know it has to have a 1, so it's only going to be one of those. And so it has to be 5, 6, 8. Okay. So that gets rid of the 6, leaving just the 5 and the 8. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8 works there. All right. That's 2, 4. I've got 5 spaces left, so that's right. So there's my 5. Okay. So if I know that's going to be a 5, that 5 goes away. So now I know it's either a 6 or an 8 in that sucker. Five, 6, 8 is what's left in this row. Oh, it'd be nice to figure out what the hell. Well, think some more here, Shipman. Think, think, think. What can I eliminate? Something's wrong here. I know that's a 12, which means these two can add up to 11. So 8 and 2. 2 is gone because I don't have the 8. So 8 and 2. Oh, hold on. Let's try this again. That's 12, which means these two have to add up to 11. Which, in theory, to add up to 11, it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? But we can get rid of the 9, which means we can get rid of the 2. We can get rid of the 5, which means we can get rid of the 6. That guy can get rid of the 7. Something's messed up here too. Because it can only be 1, 2, 3. And that can't be a 1. That can't be a 3. That can't be a 3, so that has to be a 3. So that means that 2 is gone, so it has to be a 7. That 1 is gone. That has to be an 8. Slowly but surely, starting to narrow it down. That has to be my 6. Which makes that my 2. Two things that add up to 12. Those are the only two things that add up to 12. $11 here is only going to be 7 and 4, so that's got to be my 4. That's got to be my 7. Which now makes that my 6, and that my 7. And that my 3, that my 2. Slowly coming together. This is amazing. So amazing. Alright. 9 in 2 places, 6 in 2 places, 8 in multiple places. 9. Is that the only place the 1 can be? It is. So that means that's my 9. Ah! Forgot about the 6 there. Son of a monkey. All right, so that's 7. 12. 2-digit 12. Can only be 3, 9, 4, 8, 5, 7. Right, and we get rid of the 7 and the 5. And that leaves 8. Leaves 4. Leaves 9 and 3 here. Right, so that makes that my 9. That makes that my 3. All right. There's my 9. There's my 4. There's my 6, 8, my 9. Oh, I think I got it. Very cool. Definitely the hardest one I've done yet. Really dig the deductive logic process with these. And I like it better than just regular Sudoku. The added cages are really, really neat. Really, really neat. All right, something's effed up here. Right, I know it. Every one of these has to include a 3. Okay. So we get it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? We can eliminate 6s from here, 5s from there, 3s from there, 6s from here. All right. Four from there. Actually, 4 from... Ah! Let's redo this now. Because the 4s and the 5s are gone. So it's going to be 2, 3, 8, 9. So 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9. That could add up to 9. So it has to be something with a 6. Can't include a 1. There's my 6. There's a 2, so it's got to be 4, 5. Yeah, that's what I thought. 4, 5. Well, looky here. Simplifies things greatly now, doesn't it? All right. Seven. So the 3 of these have to add up. All of this needs to add up to 10. So that has to be my 4. Well done, Shipman. That time is wrong because I broke for dinner, but it's something.